If you want to change the language in LibreOffice, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to switch the LibreOffice interface language step by step, so you can use the app in the language that feels most comfortable for you. This is a simple setting, but if you've never changed it before, it can be a little confusing to find. So I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. It doesn't matter whether you're using Writer, Calc, or another LibreOffice app, because the language settings are available from the main program menu. Once LibreOffice is open, look at the top menu bar. You'll see different options across the top, and the one you need here is Tools. Click on Tools to open the menu. From the Tools menu, choose Options. This is where LibreOffice keeps a lot of its program settings, including appearance, language, and other preferences. When the Options window opens, you'll see a list of categories on the left side. This can look a little packed at first, but don't worry, the setting you need is easy to find once you know where to look. In the left panel, click Language Settings and then click Languages. This section controls the language behavior inside LibreOffice. Here you can adjust things like the interface language, the default language for documents, and related language preferences. For changing the program language itself, you want to focus on the setting labeled User Interface. Find the User Interface dropdown and select the language you want to use. Depending on your installation, LibreOffice may show a list of available languages. Pick the one that matches what you need. If you don't see your preferred language right away, it may mean that the language pack is not installed yet, but in many cases, the language will be available in the drop-down list. After selecting the language, click OK to save your changes. LibreOffice may not switch immediately in the current session. In most cases, you'll need to restart LibreOffice for the new language to fully take effect. If you see a prompt asking you to restart, go ahead and do that. Close LibreOffice completely, then open it again. Once LibreOffice reopens, the interface language should now be changed. You may notice the menus, labels, and options appearing in your selected language. That means the change worked successfully. If everything looks right, you're all set. If the language didn't change the way you expected, double-check the same steps and make sure you selected the correct user interface option before clicking OK. Also, remember that some systems require an additional language pack to be installed before the language appears properly. But for most users, this process is all it takes to update LibreOffice's language. So, to quickly recap, open LibreOffice, go to Tools, select Options, open Language Settings, choose Languages, change the user interface language, click OK, and restart LibreOffice if prompted. That's the easiest way to change the language in LibreOffice. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.